Today we're gonna do some sports things. So we're gonna see how different animals move, and you can all do it with us.
We can do it together.
Yeah, we can do it together. So we can see we have a bag full of animal things. Okay guys, so we have a bag full of different kind of animal pictures, and we're gonna see and think how they move. So you wanna go first?
Yeah, we can start. So let's choose the first animal.
Okay guys, look really closely.
Okay. What kind of animal is this?
Now we're gonna do the crocodile thing. We're gonna see how crocodiles move. Are you ready to do it with us? You can go on the floor for this one.
Go on the floor.
Okay. For this one, you have to go on the floor.
Lie on the floor.
On the floor like this. Can you see us? And
your hands in front of you. Yes.
Yes, in front of you. And then you have to put your legs together. And then you have to pull yourself like this. We are crocodiles. It was fun, was it?
Okay, what's the next one?
Okay, let's see.
Pick one.
In the back.
Okay.
Let's see how inchworms move. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So,
Let's swing.
we
Inchworm.
stand here.
Yeah. Do you want to explain?
Hands on the floor.
Like this.
And let's try to reach your hands with your feet.
I think you have to do like first like this, like straight, and then try to reach with your legs. And let's do more. Did you like it?
Okay, let's choose another one. Next one. Very good. Kangaroo. Okay, let's try to jump.
Are you ready to
So
jump?
kangaroo.
Like kangaroos?
Okay. Let's see, bend your knees
Let's bend our knees.
and your arms. And then jump.
Ooh. Let's do a grab now. Are you ready? Let's see.
This is
That was down.
a bit tricky. Okay, how do we do?
How we do it? We go on the bottom, and we put our legs in front and hands at the back,
Bottom
and lift, and then we try to walk.
and we walk.
So we can see, we're gonna put our eyes on it.
What other animal we have? Oh,
Good
Very
job.
good. Okay, now let's try to walk
We did the hard ones already.
like a mouse.
Like a mouse.
Okay,
You try to lift.
let's try. Radius are really small, and then walk forward.
Like a mouse. What else we have in the back? Wow. Are you ready? Ooh.
Right then.
So we're gonna try to gallop as horses. Let's try. So for this one
Here we have to
put our hands in front and use our legs to gallop. We're gonna do like horses.
here. Let's see what else. Okay,
Let's see how the birds walk.
So bend our toes.
We're gonna go on the toes.
And we flap our wings.
So let's walk like a bird.
Like this.
Let's see what's going to be next. Ooh, a new one. Are you ready, guys? Let's try.
Okay.
So for this one, we're gonna go on the floor, put our hands in front, and then we're gonna hop with our legs. Hands, legs.
Let's choose. Once more.
Good one, it is a bear.
Okay, let's try to walk like a bear. Okay,
Is the bear walking? Hands.
hands in front of you. Bottom up.
Yeah, bottom up.
Bottom up.
And let's walk.
And walk.
Let's walk like bears. Actually, it's like it's the last one in the back. But we have a surprise for you guys. So this is the last one from the back.
Okay.
Let's do a giraffe. So for that one, we have to stand up tall. You have to put your hands up in the air and do like this.
Yeah.
And then you have to walk.
Very slow.
Let's see. You have to guess. So let's do.
Okay.
Do we do
So
it together? Okay.
Now you can guess. Try to guess
Maybe you can walk from
What
here
animal?
to there. Let's see.
what animal we are.
This is the last one. Let's see. Let's maybe do. Let's do some. You ready? Do we get a noise as well, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. Put on ribbon, 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 ribbon. Fun. Hope you like it. It was fun for us.
Yeah.
And some were quite hard to do.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sweating now. Woo.
Yeah, same here.
That's good.
But I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, it was fun with you guys.